eye Mahama appointee na ne ho achiri ne yo ne ho akọ adwemu a enye asem ketwa. Yenda ne ni enkohwe the British High Court. Na ensensem a ekoso ni na ne se eye Mahama appointee friend Mr. Asante Beku akutua some bribery from 2015 up to 2016. That's that time na eye Mahama mbreso no kutua saniama no eye no nko na oye dwuma wo Goldman Sachs so kodi samnya brasam ewo honoma na enye asem ketwa. The CID the 6 charges na abono, but asa ya kasa sesia ne de the lawyer said to me we need 3 na so 3 na aka ne de ho ache ne papa a enye asem ketwa. No je no ho a enje oje no ho a enje the CID abrofo no ensa aso ne mu a enye asem ketwa. Ntino nwanum Ghana fo mo ina mo ka me ho enkoje sa ensemu twem mbra medamase.
He appealed against the decision to extradite him at London's High Court last month after a judge sent his case to British ministers in 2023. Although the appellant was based in the UK at the time of the relevant conduct, the conspiracy was entirely international in nature. Asante Beku, now a former appointee under the John Dramani Mahama administration. Na okopie mu e London court. Di nyina ne say ya hwehwe no den e wa America brochima mu say watuatua adamudie e de ama Ghana government officials between the years 2015 and 2016. 2016 under the erstwhile John Mahama administration. Na on the lawyers koye appeal. Na appeal no mokoye no oma we any part of the appeal. Oma we any part of the appeal. Ne sanity. Still ya no Asante Beku faces extradition to the United States to be prosecuted. Now over the 6 offenses and the ball no way back in 2020 in New York. Ya na ni nyina related to a break akra na oye juma edema company your friend Goldman Sachs. Na appeal no oye ewo the London's High Court. Now court ni chire mu a omo relevant conduct ya omo eyeye no nyina no chese conspiracy in the whole bribery and corruption case no na international in nature. Now Beku's lawyers said he could not be extradited in relation to 3 of the charges, which allege that he willfully failed to file a report of foreign bank accounts in the US, as the allegation was not a criminal offense in Britain. They also argued that Beku's alleged offending took place in Britain and in Ghana, meaning he should not stand trial in the United States. Judge Charles Bond ruled on Friday, the 7th of June, that Beku should not be extradited to face the 3 charges of failing to file reports of foreign bank accounts. The judge said Beku would otherwise be at risk of being convicted and imprisoned for conduct which would not amount to an offense in the United Kingdom. However, Bond rejected the rest of Beku's appeal, which bordered on 3 charges of money laundering, bribery and corruption, illicit trade of money, meaning he still faces extradition. Although the appellant was based in the UK at the time of the relevant conduct, the conspiracy, I believe, was entirely international in nature. The judge, Bond, ruled. enti 6 charges na de ebo no na one ne lawyers ekosori tie mu 3 say boni bi wo ho a wudi a na o yu ka bruchima mu a enye boni but o tra de ko America bruchima mu a eye boni. Enti 3 of the charges judge ni a owo London High Court ya ono na ehwe asemi Charles Bond echire mu a those 3 of the charges ni de waje atum enye boni ewo United Kingdom but oko US a yebetumi a convict him. No, the other 3 of the charges here a border on 1 money laundering, 2 bribery and corruption, 3 illicit trade of money in India. Very, very relevant conduct. Any ye is I mean by Tino dear, Obotugua any ye. The judge will say, and now such charges me and senya. Niapi then to me a month to Tino. Still, Asante Beacon faces extradition to the United States to face these 3 charges. Judge Charles Bond also said that the U.S. securities regulator on Thursday officially charged Beacon, a former employee at Goldman Sachs, who is the former head of the Thermal Oil Refinery, for arranging at least $2.5 million in bribes to be paid to Ghana government officials to gain approval for a client's power plant project in 2016. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission said Asante Beacon arranged the bribes for a Turkish energy company to funnel the money to a Ghana-based intermediary, which then paid the local officials. Beacon helped the Ghana-based intermediary pay more than $200,000 in bribes to various other government officials and personally paid more than $60,000 to members of the majority of Ghana's parliament and other government officials in 2016. The Security and Exchange Commission U.S. statement read, added that Beacon took deliberate measures to prevent his employer from detecting the bribery scheme. The Ghana government officials, along with companies, are not named in Goldman Sachs documents, but are captured in court documents. From approximately 2015 through at least 2016, the relevant period, while employed at the subsidiary, Beacon schemed to bribe various Ghanaian government officials so that a client of the subsidiary, a Turkish energy company, would win a contract, the power purchase agreement, to build and operate an electrical power plant in Ghana and sell the power to the Ghanaian government. The U.S. Security and Exchange Commission's complaint alleges that Asante Beacon, a former executive of a foreign-based subsidiary of a U.S. bank holding company, arranged for his firm client, a Turkish energy company, to funnel at least $2.5 million